We can just call from here, like calling station. We say this. Huh? Yeah. Move, 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 move. Like you can call station. And then this is the coach which we have in local trains. And then these are all the parts of the train. So good parts. These are the things when we catch up there. These are the railings. Every single thing. And then some trains. And so good. Trains, trains, and trains, and trains. Wow, so good. What are these parts? We shouldn't touch those. This is some kind of a coach. And sit over here, like relax, and now let's go to the pantry coach. I don't know what does that mean. Oh, this is where we cook the food. So there. See, bye. Some more parts of train. More parts. As you guys know, trains are so big, so they would have like 100 or 1,000 parts in them, and it would be so good. Oh, yeah, I'm so sorry I didn't show you the outer part. I just came inside and I started walking. I'm sorry about that. Yeah, as you can know, in my before part, I just started and I didn't even like show you what is where I am. I didn't introduce that much, so now you can see, guys. It's like that. That's not the real entrance. That's like the back part of it. So yeah, I love, like, it looks like I'm 3D. I'm walking on, like, it's like 3D. What's that? It's really like a nuisance. It's like that. That's what is it? Engine 950 and 95. Okay. Yeah. Then trains. These all are Bharatiya Rail. And yeah, and these are the engines. The front part, not the back part where people sit. This is the front part. See, now the back part where the people sit. VDM2, it says a diesel locomotive. WD-G34 diesel locomotive. Okay, so all of these are diesel ones, and but the one like something like WDM2 Indian Railway. Indian Railway bus. So yeah, that's it, I guess. So I'm gonna meet you after a while when we go to another place. So yeah, meet you after a while. Woo.